Hey everybody, I am excited to share with you how I am storing my ephemera now. So before it was in a few different places and it was getting to be difficult to find what I needed. Although I like to keep things in their original package normally, and I was trying to do that as you could see here, but it just wasn't going to work out. So I got these CD sleeves on Amazon. And I got this idea from one of the thousands of videos that I have been watching on organizing my craft room. If I can find the video, I will definitely have it listed for you guys in the description box, as well as any other products that I'm going to be using for organizing my ephemera here. All right, if you guys are enjoying these organized videos with me or organize with me videos, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. I would love to know how you organize your ephemera and your enamel dots, not necessarily embellishments, but just your ephemera and your enamel dots or Sade and crystals. So I have a lot of Sade and crystals, which are from Prima. They're basically like enamel dots, but more like crystally looking. You'll see them in just a second, but all right, I am rambling like normal. Like I said, I got these sleeves on Amazon and they ended up being perfect for what I needed them for. So what I'm doing is I am emptying out all of the ephemera packages. Uh, a lot of these are most 98% of the ephemera that I have is from Prima. And what I'm doing is just emptying the packages out into these sleeves. And then I'm just tearing off the name of what collection it goes to. So like I said in the beginning of the video, I normally like to keep everything in their original package because I cannot remember what goes to what, and it just even like stamps and dies and everything. I like to keep everything in the original package. I don't know why, it's just how I like to do things. But for this, I definitely needed a change because it was just getting really hard to find things. And the drawers were just overflowing, things were falling out. So I had moved some of the packages into other little drawers here and there where I had some of my alphabet stickers and chipboard pieces and things like that. But anyways, this is definitely going to work. I should have filmed the before of my drawer, but I didn't. I did a lot of these videos in like the same 1 or 2 day span. And then afterwards, I'm like, oh, I should have done that. So it was kind of spur of the moment, me organizing everything. I'm still not done, but I am getting there and I am loving how my room is turning out. I have so much more space. And I know I said it in the last few videos, but if you are wanting to organize your room completely different, you definitely need to start with a D-stash. Even if it's just a few things here and there, it helps so much. I freed up so much space. I freed up 3 different bins, 2 drawers, some shelves, and it feels really nice. And I cannot wait for everything to be organized. All right, you could see there I have some butterfly stickers and then uh, the enamel dots and the Sade and crystals that I was talking about, but you could see how condensed it is now. Before, this drawer was overflowing because all of the packages are different sizes and shapes and it was hard to organize them. But now that the majority of the ephemera at least are in the same sized packaging, it helps so much. So I have all of these enamel dots and brads. I didn't even realize that I had this many brads still. I don't really use them often, but now that they're organized and I could just kind of flip through them, I probably will be using them here and there more often because I think the last time I used a brad was probably years ago. So I'm hoping that being organized and first starting out with the D-stash and then now organizing everything to where it's easier to find things and flip through things will help me use up what I have. So I'm just showing you here that it's easy. As you could see, I could flip through, and then there is a tab on here. I put the tab on the inside. The person that I had watched actually labeled the top of the tab. I ain't got time for that right now, so I am not going to be doing that. It probably will be something that I might do in the future, but that is going to complete this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that like button and leave me a comment down below letting me know how you store your ephemera. And if you are new to my channel, I hope you subscribe. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.